Sales prospecting is an essential process for any business that wants to boost its sales and increase revenue. A successful sales prospecting plan requires several factors to consider, and it can be a time-consuming process. In this video, we'll provide you with tips on how to create a unique and effective sales prospecting plan that can help you grow your business.
First, do your research. To get clients and prospects interested in your product or business, it's crucial to conduct research. You can identify the client's interests, whether your product is a good fit for them, and their contact details. For B2B brands, research can be conducted via social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Instagram, and more. Next, prioritize quality prospects. It's crucial to target an audience who are genuinely interested in your product or business to keep your sales process results-driven. You can achieve this through location-based, age-based, or even gender-specific targeting. Finally, create an outreach plan. After prioritizing the clients, it's essential to craft a message that portrays your company as a good preference for them. Instead of presenting informative facts, future plans, resources, articles, and brochures that highlight the factors that make your company stand out from the rest.